Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescues channel, and oh, that's interesting. Did I cut the bag open? I did. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Cut the bag open. I bought a new, hope it fits, hope it looks good. Ooh, those arms are too skinny. I've got those old lady arms. Anyway, I'll try this on in a minute. It is a Renaissance dress. I don't know. These are Asian size, and extra large is about a, I don't know, 12 if. Let's see what else is in this bag. I order from AliExpress, okay, more than once a week. It's true, more than once a week. And then I let it accumulate when it comes and kind of do a box opening. This is the thing I hate about these bags. I can never find, here it is, the end to open. I also bought a shirt. Again, extra large looks awful small. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Well, I'll try those on. We'll see. I need shirts. I need a new dress for Renn Faire. I bought one of these before. I liked it so much I went back and bought another. Don't know if you've noticed, but they are no longer sending this particular tote bag out with Smart Dolls. He's moved on to the new bags. But I bought the first one. Oh, look how this came. Well, that's weird. Anybody along the way could reach in and... Okay, this is... Anyway, I bought this on eBay, and the first one I bought for a reason. The second reason was that was a good price and I wanted another one. This is chain. I don't know if you can get a close-up on that. I'm going to make some doll necklaces out of that by adding a... I'll tell you what I like are those magnetic closures, but they're not inexpensive. And this is awful fine. So I need some gold closures for that. This should be a wig. And it's not the wig I wanted, but it's the wig I could get. I'm still watching for a different rainbow wig. I think this is the rainbow one. It is. All right, let's see. I want the pastel rainbow wig that is not symmetric. Okay, oh, I like that though. I like it. I like it. Little ombre, yeah. This is for The Moon is Made of Cheese, for her pretty princess, or I call it tennis shoe princess. You know what, I'll put this on back together after. That doll, that Moon is Made of Cheese, I actually bought her because Sarah at Berry Wings had one at Puddle, and she had her dressed in like a tennis shoe princess. And when I say that, what I mean is she had on a princess dress and tennis shoes, and it with a different wig, and it was the cutest thing. So I thought I wanted one. See what I'm saying? I can never find the end pieces, and I hate tearing these up because I do reuse them.
So you can be frustrated again.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, well, this isn't what I wanted at all. This was supposed to be for my Reborn from Dory's Dollies. Well, wait a minute. Okay. Okay, yeah, that'll work. The only thing I don't like about these is when you use a printed fabric and you're using it for panties or over the shoulder when you're making it that way, one side's down. But yeah, glad to have those little diapers. Let's see what else I did get. Some fun stuff. I do like that wig. I just wish it was the other one. Oh, this tore. Or I'm cutting it or something, I don't know. Pull it on out. Oh, this is bigger than I wanted. This is for The Moon is Made of Cheese, to make her a little outfit like a princess outfit. It might work. If I do this in the bodice and then gather below it, it might work. It's a little big for a Smart Doll. Now for a Blythe doll, oh my, would that be cute. All right, let's see what else we did get. I seem to be cutting them, so let me be a little bit more careful. I do try to do this quickly, but not as quick as I want to be. Okay. I appreciate you watching my videos, subscribing and liking. It means a lot for our channel and to us. What do we have here? Something black.
It's like pants or something.
Yeah, it does. I don't remember ordering. Oh, it's a little t-shirt. Of course, I ordered these. I actually took one of these, turned it inside out, and took it in for one of my classics. It wasn't bad. Was it the cutest? No. But it worked, and it was cute and quick. Okay. I'm not even going to open these. You've seen me open these before. It's a cute white shirt, Velcros up the back, and a pleated skirt. These are for Smart Dolls or 1/3 dolls. I order those when I see them inexpensive because they make nice gifts. And all of my Smart Dolls each need a black and a white shirt. These I love. Okay, I think this is sealed. Let me double check. Yeah, this is sealed. I don't think I'm going to open it right now. These are rat tail combs, and if you were alive in the 50s and 60s, everybody's mother had one of these, except mine. They use both ends to rat their hair. They pull it straight up, use this end to push it down. Then they'd put it up over their head, and they'd use this to fluff it up. Rat tail combs, they're called. Good size for 1/3 dolls. Okay, those make really cute props and also will comb the hair, so those are good to have. I'm going to put a couple of those, in fact I think I already did, in my little bag I have for my Smart Dolls for photo shoots and when I go somewhere. Okay, a little gray t-shirt, glad to have that. I don't know why they wrap these separate because I'm sure I ordered to, I'm going to cut this, I know I am. The packaging goes right up to the inside packaging, so it's hard not to cut it. Yeah, and a pink. Yeah, I needed that one. Yeah, I need this stuff. It's not just once. Oh, good. I got another comb. Let's see if it has all its tines or teeth. I was so disappointed. I got one. Okay. I got one a while ago. It was missing teeth. I think this one is too on the end. Either that or they just cut it. No, it's cut funny. I like these for dolls and my Yorkshire Terrier. This does not leave static in the hair, and I just really like them. Work really, really well. Okay, so I don't know what this is then, because there's that dress. Okay, it's a bunch of other stuff. Woo, I got a lot. Yeah, bag. Yes, I'm spoiled. I'm very, very blessed. We love the shopping game. It's a lot of fun. And I put stuff in my cart. Oh, see, how cute are these for Tennis Shoe Princess? I think I have pink, but not the hot pink, so I wanted those. You know, I've got so many 1/3 dolls to dress now. I went to take purple. Ooh, cute. These I do have. I went to take Oceana with me to the yarns the other day where I met up with Nicole from Not the Cool Dolls. Let me tell you something. Her dolls are cool, and so is she. We met at the Library Yarns. We took our Smart Dolls. The ladies took pictures of them. We had a good time. I'm going to insert her here. Her meaning Nicole. You will like Nicole. She is on Instagram and YouTube, and she has a shop on Etsy under that name. This was for you.
Cool.
Yeah, it looks too big for you though, so we'll see. Darren and I ride tandems. We own 3. The 2 we ride, we have one road bike tandem and one mountain bike tandem. And then the other one is a Schwinn. It's older, and we use it for display out in front of our house. We live on Katy Trail. Oh,
We can ride it, but the brakes don't work, so it's a little
yeah, we can ride
exciting.
it. It is exciting. It's always exciting riding behind my cup a ton. And I got another shirt. Man, I needed shirts. I've gotten so fat. Oh, that's cute. I like that a lot.
That's pretty.
It is. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Needs a hummingbird in there somewhere.
It does need a hummingbird in there, maybe a couple.